In this lecture, we will learn about the second order derivative and higher derivatives. If you remember, in the previous lectures, if y is equal to fx is a function of x is given, then we were evaluating y dash. What is y dash? Y dash is the first derivative. Or you can call it f dash x, or you can call it dy by dx. These are the three important notations. Clear? But we can evaluate higher derivatives also. Clear? How to find the higher derivatives? Differentiate y dash again with respect to x. So if we'll differentiate y dash, clear? So we will get y double dash, and y double dash is called second derivative. Or you can call it f double dash x, or you can call it d2y by dx power 2. And in the first derivative I told you dx upon this d2 upon dx2 y. So this d2 upon dx2 is the second derivative, like d by dx of y is the first derivative. And if we write the 3, then it is called the third derivative. Clear? And third derivative, so if y is the function, then first we will differentiate y. We will get y dash. If we want to get y double dash, then you need to differentiate y dash. You will get y double dash. You cannot get directly y double dash from y. No. First we will find y dash, then again differentiate, you will get y double dash, again differentiate, you will get y triple dash, and it is f triple dash x, and it is equal to d3y upon dx3, and this d3 upon dx3 is the notation for third differentiate coefficient or third derivative. And continuing in this way, you can call it yn. Yn means what? Yn means the nth derivative. And this is equal to fnx, or it is called dny upon dxn, is the nth derivative of this one. Clear? So these are the first derivative, second derivative, and third derivative, and this we can calculate just by doing differentiation in continuous order. If I take one example, clear, y is equal to, let us say, x power 5. So what is the y dash? Y dash is d by dx x power 5. And what is the formula? Formula is 5x 5 minus 1. So it is 5x power 4. This is the first derivative. But if I want a second derivative, so dear friends, I need to differentiate whatever I get in y dash. You need to write here y dash, because double dash we are calculating, so y dash we will use. So d by dx, and it will be 5x power 4. So 5 is out, and what is the differential of x power 4? It is 4x 4 minus 1, and 5 times 4 is 20, x power 3. If say we need y triple dash 3, third, so it will be d by dx, and triple means whatever value you get at double dash. This is, it is very simple, not difficult. Only you need to differentiate again and again. Clear? So what will be the value? It will be d by dx, and what value you will put here? 20x power 3. 20x power 3. So 20 is out, and what is the derivative of x power 3? 3x power 2. It is 20 into 3 is 60. Clear? 60 x power 2. This is the answer. Clear? Similarly, if you want to calculate, you can calculate y4 dash also. It will be d by dx at the third step, y triple dash. And it is d by dx 60 x power 2. And it is 60 is out. And what is the differential of x power 2? 2x, 2 minus 1. And it is 120x. So this is how we calculate the derivatives of various orders. Clear? So we will take another question, like question number 2. If y is equal to e power 4x, this is the function. What is the value of y dash? Y dash is d by dx e power 4x. Now you should remember here it is not e power x. No, e power x differential is e power x, but it is e power 4x. So what you need to do? How you need to do? First, the derivative of e. It is e power 4x. Then, dear friends, you need to calculate the derivative of 4x because it is different than x. Different means whatever is the function, you need to differentiate it also. So what is the derivative of 4x? It is 4 because the differential of x with respect to x is 1. D by dx of x. It is what? 1x power 1 minus 1. And if you simplify, you will get 1. So what is the answer? Answer is 4e power 4x. This is the y dash. If you want to calculate y double dash, so what we will do? You need to differentiate whatever value you get at the first step. So d by dx, how much? It is 4e power 4x. So 4 is out, and again you need to differentiate what? E power 4x. So how much we will get? It is 4. The derivative of e power 4x is 4x, e power 4x, and then the derivative of 4x. This is how you will calculate. So it will be 4 e power 4x, and the derivative of 4x is 4 because derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So 4 into 4 is 16 e power 4x. Every time you will get extra 4 because you will differentiate every time 4x and it will give you 4. If one more time we want to differentiate, it is d by dx. How much it is? It is y double dash. Whatever you get at second step, you need to differentiate to get third. So d by dx, how much? It is 16 e power 4x. And it is 16 d by dx e power 4x. And how much you will get? 16 into 4 e power 4x. And it is 64 e power 4x. This is the answer. Clear? So we need to differentiate it as per the given formula, as per the given method. Okay, let us take question number 3. Question number 3 is, if y is equal to x power 3 e power minus 2x. X power 3 e power minus 2x. Clear? Find y double dash. If you need to find y double dash, that means first we need to find y dash. Y dash means d by dx x power 3 e power minus 2x. So my dear friends, you need to use product rule. This is one function and this is another function. It is a product of two functions, first function and second function. So what you need to do? Use product rule. First same to same derivative of second function plus second function same to same derivative of first function d by dx x power 2. And if you will write the value x3, and what is the value of derivative? E power minus 2x. But now you need to differentiate minus 2x separately because it is different than x. If it is x only, then no problem, but it is minus 2x. So you need to differentiate this also. This is plus e power minus 2x and 2x 2 minus 1. If you will simplify, the derivative of this will be minus 2. So minus 2 x power 3 e power minus 2x. This is first function, and plus 2 x power 2 minus 1 is x e power minus 2x. And you can take 2 common. 2 is both the places here and here. 2 is out. E power minus 2x is out. Clear? What we are getting? Minus x power 3 and plus x. This is what we are getting. Clear? There is some problem we have done. There is some error, we made a mistake here. What mistake? Because it is not x power 2, it is x power 3. We solve the question with x power 2, 3x power 2, it is equal to, so x power 3, and what will get? Minus 2x, it is 2 e power minus 2x, and plus how much? E power minus 2x, 3x power 2. Clear? And you can take common. What we can take common? Here we can take common only e power minus 2x. What you will get? Minus 2x power 3 and plus 3x power 2. This is first derivative. Now to get the second derivative, what we need to do? Derivative of y dash. Derivative of y dash is what? This is first term, this is second term. Okay, so let us write d by dx e power minus 2x into minus 2x power 3 plus 3x power 2. It equals to how much? First function derivative of second plus second function derivative of second, means d by dx e power minus 2x. So it equals to e power minus 2x, and if you want to differentiate it, it will be minus 2 into derivative of x power 3, 3x power 3 minus 1, 2 plus 3 derivative of x power 2. X power 2 is 2x power 2 minus 1, it is 1 plus minus 2x power 3 plus 3x power 2, and the derivative of e power minus 2x is e power minus 2x. But you need to differentiate the derivative of minus 2x also. Minus 2x, the derivative is minus 2. Now simplify this. How much? E power minus 2x and minus 6x power 2 plus 6x minus 2 e power minus 2x and minus 2x power 3 plus 3x power 2. This is the answer. Even it can simplify further, but you can leave it here. This is the answer. Okay, so the double derivative or triple derivative questions are little wrong, little long if the product rule or division rule we are using. Clear? Okay, let us take one question. Question number 4. If we take y is equal to 2 sin x minus 5 cosine x. Clear? Calculate y triple dash. You need to find third derivative, triple dash. So what is the answer? It is y dash is equal to d by dx first function minus d by dx second function. It equals to 2 derivative of sin x is cosine x minus 5 derivative of cosine x, it is minus sin x. So minus minus plus. This is now y double dash. Y double dash means derivative of y dash. So derivative of y dash means this one, derivative of first term 2 cosine x plus derivative of second term 5 sin x. Clear? What you will get? It is 2 cosine x differential, it is minus sin x plus 5 sin x differential, it is cosine x. This is the second derivative. And if you want to calculate the third derivative, it will be d by dx y double dash. So it will be d by dx first term minus 2 sin x plus d by dx the second term 5 cosine x. So how much you will get? Minus 2 derivative of sin x, it is cosine x. Clear? Plus 5 cosine x differential, it is minus sin x. This is the answer. So you should remember what is the derivative of any function, that whatever you studied in the earlier classes. Okay, so you can get the derivative of this one. Like, let us take the last question. And last question I will take y is equal to x power 6 plus ln x plus e power 2x. This is what you need to calculate. You need to calculate y triple dash, third derivative you need to find. So how will you find? It is first is y dash d by dx the first term, d by dx the second term, and d by dx the third term. And if you will find x power 6, it is 6x power 6 minus 1, 5, plus derivative of ln x, it is 1 upon x, plus derivative of e power 2x, it is e power 2x. But here you need to calculate the derivative of 2x separately. And what is the derivative of 2x? The derivative of 2x is 2. This is because 2 into derivative of x is 1. So it is 2. Okay. Now, if you want to calculate y double dash second derivative, so you need to differentiate the first derivative. So derivative of first term 6x5 plus derivative of second term, you can write this x power minus 1, and the derivative of third term, it is 2e power 2x. And if you want to calculate it, 6x power 5, 6 into x power 5 is how much? 5x power 5 minus 1, 4, plus x power minus 1, minus 1, x power minus 1, minus 1, plus 2e power 2x into the derivative of 2x. Derivative of 2x is 2. So it is how much? It is 30x4 minus x power minus 2 plus 4e power 2x. This is the second derivative. And if you want to calculate the third derivative is d by dx. You need to differentiate the second derivative. And second derivative means d by dx of 30x power 4 plus, no minus, d by dx x power minus 2 and plus d by dx for e power 2x. This is, so 30 derivative of x power 4, 4x power 4 minus 1, 3 minus 2 x power minus 2 minus 1 and plus derivative 4 e power 2x. E power 2x differential is e power 2x, but you need to differentiate 2x again. And 2x differential is 2 because differential of x is 1. 30 times 4 is 120 x power 3 minus plus 2 x power minus 3 and plus 4 times 8, it is e power 2x. So dear friends, these are the questions. Some more questions if you want I can take, if any different question I can find for the double derivative. No, there is no different question for double derivative. It is simple questions are given for double derivative. You can solve any question. Here it is cosec x is written, here it is sec x is written. Okay, let us take y is equal to sec x, the double derivative. Clear? So question number, I do not know what it is, y is equal to sec x. So what we need to find? Y double dash we need to find. So y double dash means y dash equals to d by dx sec x. And the derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. This is. So here only one function was there, but after first differential now it is a product of two functions sec x and tan x. So when we will calculate y double dash, it will be d by dx y dash, that means d by dx sec x and tan x. So you need to use first derivative you calculate directly, but for second derivative you need to use product rule. So it is sec x derivative of tan x plus tan x derivative of sec x. Okay, so it is sec x derivative of tan x is sec power 2x plus tan x derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. Okay, so equals to, answer is sec power 3x plus, here it is sec x into tan power 2x. This is the answer. And if you simplify it little more, you can take sec x common. So it will be sec power 2x plus tan power 2x. This is the derivative, second derivative of y is equal to sec x. Okay, one more question coming in my mind. That will be the last question. If y is equal to sine x power 3 or sine power 3 x is there, meaning is same. Clear? How will you calculate? How will you calculate y double dash? Y double dash for it. Clear? So to calculate y double dash, first we need to go through the y dash. What is the y dash? For y dash, first you need to differentiate the power. You can solve this question with the help of chain rule also. But after chain rule, I explained you how to differentiate directly. So first we need to differentiate the power 3 sine x power 3 minus 1. Let us consider it is x power 3. So it is 3 sine x power 3 minus 1, and then whatever is written, because it is different than x, so we will differentiate it also. So what we are getting? We are getting 3 sine power 2x into derivative of sine x is cosine x. So dear friends, this is the differential of sine x power 3, first derivative. Now if you want second derivative, then you need to differentiate the first derivative, and it will be d by dx 3 sine square x cos x, and it will be how much? Now you need to use the product rule. So first function derivative of second function plus second function derivative of first function sine square x. So 3 sine square x, derivative of cosine x, it is minus sine x plus cosine x. Now you need to calculate the derivative of 3 sine power 2x. So 3, now because it is not sine x, it is sine power. So first you need to calculate the derivative of power. So sine power 2 minus 1x, and then derivative of sine x, like we did for y dash. Simplify this, it is minus 3 sine power 3x, 2 plus 1, 3 power x, clear, plus cosine x, and what we are getting here, 3 times 2 is 6, 2 minus 1 is 1, 6 sine x, and the derivative of sine x, it is cosine x. So it will be minus 3 sine power 3x and plus 6 sine x and cosine square x. This is the second derivative of sine power 3x or sine x power 3. Clear? So this is, my dear friends, the way I explained you to evaluate the higher order derivatives. Thank you very much.